Hello, happy Friday, Year 6. Welcome to Friday Maths. Now, we're going to try and keep maths as it would be in the classroom. So, we'll be looking at arithmetic tests on a Friday. And I'm going to set two up for you. The first one is this one. It's a Year 5 test. So, there's going to be a Year 5 and a Year 6 test given out each week for you. So, this is the first one for you to be able to try and do and complete. This is the Year 5 spring term test. Which has, if we scroll down, you can see, has 10 questions for you to complete. We also have the Year 6 spring term test number 1, that we'll do. And as you can see, the questions are here for you to try and solve and go through them. Now, there are 20 on the Year 6 one, 10 on the Year 5 one, 20 on the Year 6 one. I don't mind which one you choose to do. You can choose to do the first one if you would like to. You can choose to do the second one if you'd like to. You can choose to do both of them if you'd like to and do all 30. That's absolutely fine. Same process applies. Write the answers down in your book, take a picture, send them in, and we will get them marked and get you some feedback for them. The nice thing about these, though, is that they're not actual tests, are they? We're sat at home. We're not actually having a test. I'm not going to time you. This is not a 20-minute test where you have to sit and be like, oh no, I don't know what I'm doing. It's absolutely fine. What we're actually really trying to do is just give you a broad range of arithmetic questions for you to try. So if at one point you're stuck on it, then don't panic. Go onto the internet, use Google, whatever it is, and help you with the answers. The only thing, and how to solve the answers, there are 1,000,001 YouTube clips on how to solve them. So, and how that might happen and how that might work is that, for example, you might see a question like number 12. And we're like, oh, we've not come across that in a classroom for a long time, so how would I solve this question here? So this question would easily, if you're thinking I don't know how to do it, go into Google and type in how do you solve addition problems with brackets, and there'll be YouTube clips and things like that that will absolutely help you with this. Watch them, learn from them, and then try and solve them with the answers. Okay, just have a go at them. Good luck and send them in. Like I said, it's not a test, so we're not going to be crying over the fact that we don't get 20 out of 20 if we don't. But like I said, there's no real reason why we can't access all of this because we have the time to go away and for you to learn it yourselves. So good luck. Happy Friday. Well done for everybody so far. I know we're going to keep saying it, but we will. Well done. Brilliant work over the last few days trying to get all your work in. I know that me and Liliana had a lovely chat going on one of the questions yesterday. And if you are struggling, just comment and we will try and pick it up. Unfortunately, it might not be there and then because we are all working from home apart from a few who are in school. And just remember that being at home also means, for me anyway, and I know for Mrs. Corton and also, is that we both have children. So sometimes it's not as easy just to be sat in front of a laptop ready to answer any questions. But we will get back to you whenever we can, whenever we possibly can. We'll keep checking on our emails. We'll keep checking in on our laptop. So if you are struggling, please just comment and we will try and help you the best way that we can. All right. So give the arithmetic test a go. Give one of them a go. Like I said, you can either do one, you can do both. It's down to you and how you like to do it. But good luck, and I look forward to seeing your results.